let's get started. Let's understand from scratch. Let's understand from the basics. What is database? Why we need to go for database? And how to get it installed. Let's get started slowly, step by step. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. I assure you practical classes step by step. Let's make it clear in what we learn. We have a 30 concept checklist with more than 400 queries over all these concepts, 400 minimum, so that we are ready for either Azure, minor background sound, please check it, either Azure or Fabric or Power BI, your next level journey. So this is like a starter. Azure data engineering or Power BI data analytics or Fabric engineering, those are all the main course. This is a starter. Let's be strong. Let's make it clear. We are into today concept 1 and 2, introduction, installation. But before we proceed, what is database? Let's get started. Database is a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, fully secured, easy to organize, very easy. I'm sure by tomorrow, mid of the class, you'll fall in love with database. Really, I'll make it easier for you. My duty. I need to spark that interest. I need to spark that encouraging technical journey. My duty I'll do carefully. Let's stay tuned. We are into installation today in another 5 minutes. If possible, please fetch a paper and a pen, or a book and a pen, or a pencil, whatever. Write your keywords carefully. You will see a few bold letters on the screen. Throughout the course, the same pattern. Anything bold, good to write in your running notes. And more good to WhatsApp me after the class, so that even I understand who are all, like learning, who are all practicing. That's really good, right? We need it, please. Good to know, right? Isn't it good to know who are all practicing? Live class, interactive. Let's make it interactive. Okay, let's get started slowly. Let's understand now how to work with the concept of something like this. I'll show you here. Something like this. I think I'll show you one such. Yeah, here it is, like this. Something like this. This is one of the running notes I got today for my previous class. Something like that. WhatsApp your observation notes after the class if you can. I'll continue. Database, a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, no restrictions, nicely secured, easily organized. Now, to work with database, we need something called SQL. What is that? SQL. This is our class. If time permit, today's second half. If not, from tomorrow. SQL, structured query language, is a platform. It is a user interface and script-based platform for storage, reporting, modifications. Manipulations means modifications to the database. Simply say, every touch on database needs SQL. To touch a database, we need SQL. Now, to implement this database and SQL, we need a playground. We need a software called DBMS. This is the one we are installing today. Database management system to build and design databases, to manage databases, to access, analyze, secure, monitor, troubleshoot databases, and implement AI we need this software DBMS, AI part of our classes. Now, different companies have manufactured various DBMS brands. There are 2 brands from Oracle. There are 2 brands from Microsoft, 1 brand from IBM DB2, and so on. We are into a cheaper yet powerful, very powerful DBMS from Microsoft called SQL Server. Let's understand now how to install this SQL Server. It's like this. We know how to drive a car. Usually we can drive any car. We know how to drive a bike. We can usually drive any bike with minor modifications, minor cautions, right? Now, same thing here. We know one SQL from Microsoft, the other SQLs are similar, as simple as driving a car. Let's get started with SQL next item. Today, let's first see the installation. I repeat again. So far, we are learning 2 items. Number 1, database. Number 2, please, what's that one? Number 2, SQL, isn't it? Please, mic with everyone. SQL. Number 3,
DBMS.
everyone, DBMS. Okay. Please, everyone, please, let's be active. Need your support, please. Let's enjoy it. Database, SQL, DBMS. Now, why SQL Server DBMS? Dolly Purohit, some background sound, sister. I have to mute you for some time, please. Kindly adjust your mic, please. I'll continue. Why SQL Server? Easy, user-friendly environment and comparatively cheaper. Let's step into installation now. Let's see how to install SQL Server. We are going to install latest 2 versions today. 2022 and 2019. 2022 will install enterprise evaluation 6 months trial. 2019 will install developer lifelong free. You can ask me, Sai, why to learn more? Yes, in our classes, later sessions, we have examples lined up for something called linked servers, remote joins, transactions, query blocking and lock-ins, and case study. In real world, we need to work with multiple servers. So let's create that environment in our local computer. It's easier, straightforward. Prerequisites: Windows 8 or higher, 6 GB RAM minimum. If you are using MacBook, please enable Windows or install virtual machine inside your Mac. Any trouble in configuring your Windows OS, please do reach me directly on my number, just in case. You may reach us on this number or our website or my LinkedIn or my number directly in case of any technical questions. I'm always there. Next, let's understand now, keeping in mind our job roles. Either you are into analyst job role or engineer job role, any job role in database stream. Yes, we need to have SQL first. We are into yellow box, TSQL, architecture, tuning, procedures, and lot of activities we need to do from tomorrow. Let's step into installation so that we can proceed with database fundamentals next. To start with database fundamentals, we need installation. We are in yellow box from today. This week, next week, later next week. Very crucial. We are into box 1, yellow box now. Let's start the installation slowly. I repeat once again, our requirement, we need to have total 2 installations. Part of this yellow box on the screen, the starter, the basics. Let's understand how to do the installation. For that, I'll take you to my notes now. I'll provide the detailed step-by-step notes anyway. I'll continue. Okay, this one. Just wait. Fine. So we are into the introduction so far, like database, SQL, DBMS, SQL Server, and now let's slowly start with installation. Let's see the lab plan for our classes. We are going to install SQL Server 2022 and 2019 today. Then we'll install a tool called SQL Server Management Studio to develop and manage databases, to work with databases. Then connect your local servers from step 1 and 2. Then connect our online server for case studies and project work. Total 4 steps we need to do. In this journey, we have about 20 interview questions and answers from this chapter. I'll take care. Let's observe carefully. So in your computer, we need to install 2 greens, 1 yellow. I mean 2 servers. These 2 are greens, okay? These 2 are greens. And 1 yellow. This is yellow, okay? Like this. It's not good, right? I'll put this way, yellow, this way. 2 greens, 1 yellow. And connect your local servers. Once again, green. And connect your online server. This will be blue. Okay, like this one. Green, yellow, blue. Okay, these are complete lab plan. 2 greens, 1 yellow, then yellow to green 1, yellow to green 2, yellow to blue. This is our entire lab plan, a multi-server environment for our classes. I assume we're all very new, so let's go slowly. I'm here to repeat the things. Let's go slowly. OS requirement 2022, 2019, anything is fine. And usually we go with first 3. First 2 are more important, latest one. 2022 is the latest version. Okay, then we have something called 2020, 2019 and 2017. Usually we go with first 2. 6 GB RAM, 10 GB disk space. Are we clear so far with our requirement, please? I'll guide you step by step how to do the installation anyway. Please, are we getting the requirement now? Please, 2 greens, 1 yellow and blue. Are we getting it, please? Please, I'll wait. The lab plan. I'll wait,
Yes, sir.
please.
Yes, we're getting.
Sure. And Shravya M. Can you hear me, madam? I could see your mic is off till now. Can you hear me, please? Check your mic, madam. Shravya M. Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear.
Fine. Praveen, can you hear me, Praveen? Check your mics
Yes.
and audio to
Yes,
mute.
sir.
Yes, I can hear you.
Fine, madam. Yeah. Thank you. Please mute from your end, madam. Please mute from your end, please. Please mute. Thank you. Let's continue, friends. What we need to do? Install first server. I'll show you. Second server, you'll sing with me. You'll sing with me. I'll give you the lyrics in the first server. We are going to repeat it for the second server. And people who sing with me, they get more things. They get more lyrics. Really, you got what I mean? You sing with me for more times, you get more lyrics. It is lighters for responsive attendees will get started now. We are all very new. Things are a bit lengthy for our job work. Let's observe carefully. This is a complete overview. Download 2022 from this website, from my website sqlschool.com downloads. You go to the website and this one, okay, 2022. You click on it. It will take you to OneDrive. Download. Once it is downloaded, next, extract it. I'll show you anyway. Once you extract, then installation, 6 months trial. I said evaluation 6 months. Next, uncheck Azure if prompted. Azure is Microsoft Cloud. We'll configure it later classes. Check database engine for OLTP, online transaction processing database, live data. Online transaction processing, live data. Specify installation name, admin name, install. Same thing we are repeating for second server also. Minor add-ons, making it more secure. I repeat, download, extract, double click the setup file. I'll show you practically next few minutes. Giving a small preview first. Download, extract, setup file. Installation left, new installation right. Okay, the red bordered items. I'll send you the notes anyway. I'll show you the installation steps. I'll revise it. I'll send you the notes. Let's stay tuned. Installation, new installation. Accept licensing terms. Uncheck Azure database engine. Okay, database engine. Purpose OLTP. Online transaction processing database to store live data, real-time data. Specify installation name. Specify installation name. Next, add current user as admin. Current user as admin. Finally, install. Friends, you will do it after the class today. Let's stay tuned. Let's understand the process first carefully. After we do the installation of SQL Server 2 times, then we'll proceed for the yellow one, tools. We'll do SSMS tool. SQL Server Management Studio tool. First, servers. I repeat, I said 2 green servers, right? Download, extract, next. Database engine, installation name, admin name. Only 3 screens. I repeat, database engine, installation name, admin name. You're done. Let me show you how do we do this. For this purpose, I'll take you to my other computer now to show you the installation process. Let me show you 2022 Then 2019. You can install in any order, no problem. One is enough, two recommended, two servers recommended. One is okay, fine. But bit of compromise. If you wanted to practice every example from our classes, please install both servers. If not by today, by end of this week, install the second server. Let's get started now. Let's see how to do the actual installation. Firstly, download 2022. Then right click, extract. Okay, right click, extract. Once you extract, we get a folder like this. We get a folder in this way. Now what we do, let's see. Double click on this setup file. Double click on the setup file, this one. Download, extract, double click on the setup file. We get something called installation center, installation left, new installation right. See here, installation left, new installation right, like this. 2-1, 2-1, installation left, new installation right. Let's wait for some time. We should be getting one screen here, okay, that prompt you for the installation. Installation left, new installation right, we get a screen now. Uncheck updates. Updates are not required. Next. Click on next. Let's wait. Let's wait for some time. Let's hold on. Let's wait for a few moments, okay? We'll go for questions after revision of installation. What we did so far? Download, extract, double click the setup file. Installation left, new installation right. Okay, next. This is the only waiting screen. It may make you wait for about 1 to 2 minutes before we see the remaining screens, which are simply next. On average, each green box, each installation of the server takes 3 minutes.
I'm having a doubt.
Sanjit, we'll go for questions, sir, after revision. After revision, sir. Okay. Let me put forward all my points. We'll go for questions, sir, after revision. Any warnings, ignore. Any warnings, please ignore them during your practice after the class today. Next. Perform new installation. Next. Remember, first time installation evaluation means 180 days, 6 months trial. This one 180 days, 6 months trial. And next, click on next. Accept licensing terms. Next, uncheck Azure. Okay, so far next. Uncheck Azure. Next. Then select database engine. See here. Okay, select database engine. Purpose OLTP. Remember, live transaction, online transaction database. Live OLTP. Next. Okay, then let's wait for a few minutes. Remember, database engine, first input. provide the installation name. Okay, provide installation name. Any name is okay. Give the installation name. I'll call it as, for example, I'll say SQL School and Lab 1. Give some name. Any name is fine, no problem. Give some name. Any name is okay, no problem. Give some name like this. Okay, next. From here, what we do, let's see. Click next. We get one ID automatically. Click on next. We get one ID automatically like this. Okay, next. We'll go for questions after some time. Add current user. You are done. Database engine, installation name, add current user as admin. I repeat, see here, I'll go back. I'll repeat it. Please observe carefully. Let's see. Go back. See, first one, database engine. So far, next only, no difference. Nothing else. First input, database engine for OLTP. Your other databases like OLAP, data warehouse, etc. lined up for later classes. For now, database engine, next. First input. Then second input, installation name, next. Let's wait. Installation name and next. Okay, provide the installation name and next, like this. Then final input, see here, final input. We need to have, okay, final input. Add current user as administrator. Next. No worries about other things, okay? Leave it to me. We'll take them next part. After couple of examples, we'll take the other things one by one. I'll provide you all the complete notes today for all these installation screens. We'll take it today and tomorrow. First green box is getting constructed. Whatever we're installing now, it's a server, also called instance. Remember, instance. What is it? Instance. This one. Okay, instance. Every installation is called instance. We are installing SQL Server 2 times. Means we get 2 instances. This is the term, technical term, instance. House is a home. Server is an instance. Okay. House, home, both are same. Server, instance, both are same in Microsoft. Number 2, a house has a gate. Server has a authentication. Few minutes back, I said add current user as administrator, right? As a watchman of the house. Really, it's a watchman of the house. Big house, you require 2 gates, 2 watchmen. That is the second installation today. The second server we are going to install now is bit bigger. Let me show you first. Then we'll go for questions. Right now we are constructing one house. First box, one instance, one admin. The second server we'll be constructing in next few minutes. We'll have 2 gates, 2 watchmen, bigger house. Okay, let's see carefully. Remember the technical term, server means instance. Let the installation complete. In the meantime, it's almost done anyway. I thought of showing you the theory part for installation. I'll show you after the installation activity. I'll show it. After second installation, we'll go back to the theory part anyway. First server is almost ready. It hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes to construct this greenhouse. Remember, we are in 2022. Hope you are writing your observation notes. Please cross-check it for revision 2019 in next few moments. It's almost done. I'll go to the software download just to save time. I got my 2019 downloaded. Once we download, what we need to do? Right click, extract, right? We get a folder. My first installation is done just now. Any error, please WhatsApp me the screenshot in case of any error or trouble during your installation journey. Please WhatsApp me. You'll do it after the class today, anytime before tomorrow's class. Any error, please WhatsApp me. I'll close this window. Now 2019, what we do? Download, extract. Okay, we get one folder. What we do? Double click and open the setup file. Yes, double click and open the setup file. Click yes. Installation left. Remember, please, everyone, installation left, new installation right. Remember now, please, everyone. I'll wait. Yes, friends, you remember everyone? Installation left, new installation right. Right? Same journey.
Yeah, same.
Others, please, need your support, need your response. Let's make it interactive, please. I need to answer your questions.
Yes,
Next.
sir.
Fine, madam. Fine.
Sir,
Let's
I think I
continue.
missed it somewhere. Sir, we need to download this 2022.
You are right, brother. You have to download 2022.
File only now, sir.
1 minute, sir. I have to mute that other mic. Yes, Sanjit, you have to download
Sir, we need to
2022
download that SSMS 2022.
SQL Server, sir. SQL Server 2022,
Okay, sir.
SQL Server 2019, both 2 servers.
2022. Okay.
Okay, both servers, brother. Both. Yeah. 2 houses. Okay, 2 green boxes, right? 2 versions. Fine. Next.
Okay, so that SQL Server it has mentioned also. Yes, that one.
Yes, sir. You are right. SQL Server. Yes. New installation means new instance. Next. Previously evaluation 6 months trial. Now developer lifelong free. There is a difference. We'll understand the difference items carefully. Click on next. Accept licensing terms. Click on next. Accept licensing terms. And next. Okay. Click on next. See, database engine. Same steps, no difference. Only version is different, but same interface. Remember, our installation takes 1000 MB space. Our installation takes 1000 MB space. Okay, select the required instance. Next. Click next. Then let's wait for some time. Give the name. You may get a doubt. Sai, what's the difference between default and named? Let's see. Let's see. Default instance mean installation name is taken automatically. No problem. You can do it. No issues. Other one, named instance, meaning the installation name will be defined by us manually. Manually, we need to supply it. I'll say SQL School Lab 2. Earlier Lab 1, now Lab 2. Like this. Give some name. Any name is okay. No problem. Based on this name, we get one ID automatically. Okay. Based on this name, you get one ID automatically. Okay. Next. Next. So database engine installation name like this. Next. Here, there is something called collation, means language setting. Language. Collation means language setting. Which language you want to have the SQL Server? Default is English. That's fine. But you can customize it. For example, you know Ukraine. You know Ukrainian language. You select it. Or you know Swedish or Russian, etc. Chinese, etc. For now, let's go with the default language setting, English. That is collation. Remember. Next, I said SQL Server is our house, right? My second server is a big boss house, big server. 2 gates, 2 watchmen. Mixed mode authentication. Mixed means, see here, main gate for Windows users. Windows users. Current user is my Windows user. SQL School is my username, my current username. This one, contact at sqlschool.com. It's my current username. Or we can also enter the house, my server, using second gate, side gate. That has a watchman name SA. SA, System Administrator. Remember, System Administrator, SA. It needs a password. I said watchman, right? Need a key. You know the key, then you can enter in like this. We are going to use this username password in our queries by next week. Few queries we need to do server to server. That server to server communication requires this authentication concept. So I need to keep in mind our upcoming concepts. Please configure the servers the same way we are learning today, please. Next. What we are doing? First server, only Windows authentication. Second server, mixed Windows and Mac, Ubuntu, iOS, Android, any user can connect. That's the power of SQL authentication. Other things leave it to me. TempDB and other things, we'll do them slowly. Next, install. I'll repeat again. First and second server, same thing. Only one difference, mixed mode. Means SQL authentication and Windows authentication. Both authentications will be activated. Now you may get a question, Sai, you already installed the first server with Windows authentication only. Can you change it later? Answer is yes. I'll show you how to change it. We have something called stored procedures concept by next week. Using certain stored procedures, we are going to change the authentication mode from Windows to mixed and vice versa. We can do. Vice versa means opposite. We can do it. For now, first server Windows, second server mixed. First server single gate, second server 2 gates. Next, install. So first and second, same concept, same interface, only one difference, authentication. Let me show you on my theory notes once again. Let the installation go on. To make it clear, I'll take you to my installation notes, okay? This one. We are right now in the first green, second green, okay? These two. First server, directly install. Second server, mixed mode, SA, install. I'll wait for some time. Next step, we have to install the yellow item, SSMS tool. We'll do it next. Server 1, server 2. Any questions, please let me know. I'll wait. In the meantime, kindly request you to check your mails. I have sent you 2 mails in the meantime. 2 mails sent. Kindly check. Includes introduction notes, first mail. Installation notes, second mail. Please check your mails. We'll continue. Any questions, please, I'll stay back.
Sir, we will get the recording video, sir, because
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
think
sir.
I
You will get
want
the recording,
to
sir. You will
videos
get the
and
recording. You will get it, sir. No problem. Yeah. I'll do after the class.
thank you, sir.
Any questions, I'll wait. Got the first mail in the meantime? Just now sent. Second mail also sent. Just in case. Fine, friends. Any questions, let me know, please. I'll wait.
Yeah, I do have a question. Can you hear me?
Are on the yes, please tell me. Proceed. Please tell me.
So I was not able to follow your instruction to do the installation because I have Mac and I'm trying to see
MacBook.
how.
Okay.
Yeah, but I do have UTM which I've installed my SQL database on, but I don't know if I can install MS SQL on UTM virtual. I probably have to look into it. So I wasn't able to follow your
I'll do.
steps here.
No problem, sir. See, in fact, like I expect you to follow the instructions after the class today, not along with me, but after me, after the session today. Okay. I will be helping you. You said like your virtual machine UTM on Mac. I got
Right.
it. I'll come to your screen. Let's connect on Google Meet after the class today. Okay. I'll guide you.
Okay.
We'll see. We'll
Perfect,
do.
perfect, perfect. Thank you so much.
Pleasure. Thank you. Next question, please. I will wait before we continue for the third one. SSMS. Friends, you'll do after the class, not now. Okay. Yeah, please. Let's understand it first. Then we'll do. Please, everyone, are we clear so far? Please, 2 servers installation process. Are we clear? Please, I'll wait. Everyone,
Uh,
please.
Sir, just correct me if I'm wrong. I have downloaded the SQL Server 2022 download and SQL Server 2019 download, and I'll
Yes,
watch this recording video and do this installation, sir. Now we
yes.
are going to download that SSMS 2022
Ah, you
download.
are right. Exactly. We are going to do it next. You're right.
Okay,
Exactly.
okay,
Next
sir.
step.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Yep. Fine, friends. Let's continue. Are we clear so far? Please, everyone, please help me.
Yes,
Please
sir.
respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Yep. Let's continue then.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Let's continue. Thank you. Thank you. Please mute your mics. We'll continue now. So far, we got 2022, 2019 are color coding, green 1, green 2. Now let's install SSMS. 10 seconds. Only 10 seconds activity. Download, double click, install, you are done. Step 3. Let's see. Okay, you'll follow the notes as it is. Already sent. I request you to confirm the receipt of the mail after the class today. Step 3, step 1, step 2, server 1, server 2. Step 3, installation of the tool. Why we need it? This free tool is used to connect to above installed servers, perform storage, retrieval, management using SQL. This is our course. So SSMS is a playground. It's like a playground. SQL is a bat and database is the ball. We have to hit the ball very carefully. Hit the database very carefully. Play with it. Just like a browser needed to operate on a website, we need SSMS tool to operate on a server. Download SSMS from this website link. Go to this Microsoft link or our SQLschool.com website also has the same link there. Click on that link. It will take you to this website and download and extract. It says no preview, no problem. Simply download. Zip file. Okay, just download it. Or you can also click this one. Okay, click on this one. I'll correct it. Please wait. I'll correct the link here. It's updated one. I'll edit the hyperlink. Yes, this one. Okay. Now this one. Click on this particular link. Once you go to this link, it asks you to download like this. This one. It asks you to download. Once you download, what we do, let's see. I'll quickly take you to my other computer now. This is my second server. I close it. Once you download number 3, SSMS. Okay, what we do, double click and start the installation. Let's see. I repeat again. Firstly, what we did, we got server 1, 2022 server 1. Okay. Next. Then we got something called server 2, 2019. Okay, 2019. Please give me a few moments time. I'll refresh my screen in next 2 seconds. Okay, please wait. Please don't mind. I want to make it clear. Yes, on my screen now. 1, 2. Now this is number 3, SSMS. We can change it, no problem. Change the file name. Double click on the SSMS number 3. It will ask you to simply click install. Okay, click install. Once you click install, then you get like this. No next, no next, nothing like that. Download, double click and start the installation. This would take somewhere between 30 to 40 minutes. The tool will take 30 to 40 minutes, usually ideal time for complete installation. Minimum 20 minutes, minimum. Once the tool is installed, it will ask you to restart your computer. Once you install the tool, it will ask you to restart the computer. You restart the computer. You are ready for tomorrow's class. Tomorrow we'll see how to test the server connections, local server, our online server, and then start the practice. We'll stop for today. Please do first server 2022, second server 2019. Then do SSMS as well. Restart the computer, ready for tomorrow's class. Please confirm, did you receive 2 mails from me today? Please check it, friends, please. I'll wait. Everyone, please. Introduction notes, installation notes. Total 2.
Yes, sir. We received.
Sure. Others, please, I'll wait. We'll stop at step.
Yeah,
Yes,
we
received.
Received, sir.
It's a receive.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes, I received it.
Tomorrow, we'll continue for testing the installations and some theory part one by one. We'll do slowly. Then proceed for practical part. We'll stop for today. So 1,
Sir,
2,
the
3 done.
recording videos, how do we get, sir?
Sir, on email, sir. Sanjit, on email, you'll get it.
Okay, sir.
On
Thank you so
email.
much.
Where we are, friends? Let me complete my statement. Yes. Step 1, 2, 3 done. For 4th, you need to restart the computer. Okay. So do it for tomorrow's class. We'll stop for today. Any questions, please let me know. Mike's with you now. Please, I'll wait. I'll stay for today. I'll stay back now for doubts. We'll stop for today. Thank you so much. Meeting tomorrow, same time as usual. Thank you.